How to allow camera permission on Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can allow camera permission on Chrome. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your Android device you have to navigate to your Chrome application in your app bar. Search for the application, and once you found it, tap and hold on the application. Then tap on App Info with an eye icon. That's gonna take you to App Info page of Chrome application. If you scroll down a bit, there is a permissions option. Tap on it. Now, to allow camera permission, scroll down a bit and then under Not Allowed section, tap on Camera and then tap on Allow only while using the application. And once you have selected that, now you have allowed permission for camera on Chrome. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.